Are you ready?
Welcome to the Whitworth Key, and this is known as the Locke. And this is one of the Airbnb properties I just bought. This is actually the first time I'm staying in an Airbnb, and oh my goodness, I'm really impressed with this place. As soon as you walk in, we've got the lovely bed, and when I feel that, it is super comfortable. Can't wait to have a good night's sleep here, because actually we're here for the Lost Frequencies concert tonight, and I am super excited. Then we got a lovely little dining area, and I did put all the lights on before I came in here so I can show you how how lightful it is, but I've forgotten to, this one didn't turn on for some reason. Then we have the living room area. Excuse my bags, because I literally just dumped them here because I just literally had to run around the city just to do some errands. Then we have a little closet space here with a lovely mirror with lights. I absolutely love the lighting in here. It is so cool. Hidden here we have a iron. And I think hiding in the corner is, I thought that was an iron, but I don't see the iron yet. Maybe it's in one of the other drawers. We've got the hairdryer and the iron is in there. I can see it now. Yeah, all the little branding. The branding on here is on point because I absolutely love it. We've got some spare drawers underneath as well. Oh, we've got a safe in here as well, which I didn't expect as well. It's just really cool. Now, one thing, when I did look at this place, I thought to myself, oh, I'm not going to get a, it's just going to be a shower only. But turns out, we've got a bath. So I'll be having a little bath before I go out tonight. And we've got a lovely rainfall shower. So I can't wait to dive into that later on. There is branding. I'll show you the branding for the head and shampoo and all that. We've got our towels in here. Careful, it's hot. I love these little brandings on point. It's so cool. So we got products from the Kinsey Apple Therapy, which is this Himalayan and hibiscus and all that. And I think it's the same in the shower as well. Oh no, salted caramel vanilla. That sounds my life. Actually, when you walk into this place, that's the first thing you'll smell is the salted caramel vanilla. It is gorgeous. We have a shaver's outlet, which is fantastic. Then we come back out here and into our little kitchenette. We have a little kitchenette, so we got a little microwave oven at the top there. There is little things and all that. There is like fire blankets. There is wine glasses, cups, coffee and stuff. And there's also a little QR code if you want to use any guidance on the appliance. There is a laundry room. There is a little code there if you're feeling a little bit dirty. Don't know what that one is. Then we got some other little neat storages down there. So we got like a brush pan. There is some fairy liquid if we want to do some washing up. There is a fridge. Fridge was empty when I got in, but these are just some of the stuff I've just put in myself. And we got little utensils here. There is a little toaster. There's knives, forks, pots, pans. They give you everything in here. And the view we've got, oops, I'm going to be brushing my phone, is from the New Union. So just where the New Union is, that is the Pride Hotel or Canal Street, which is the famous, Pride bit of Manchester. So, we were gifted this for Christmas by my boyfriend's parents. So thank you for the little treat for this. I really appreciate it. But now, let us do the bed test and I'll show you what the bed's like. Now, I've just had my hair done, so I'm not going to go all out on this as well. But here's what the bed's like. Ooh, so soft and lovely. Absolutely love this. Oh, there's some little things on the wall as well. Let's go check out what it says on the wall as well. Looks like they've got things like, this is your space. And all that. It's co-working space. All that, there's a little thing if you forgot something. And they do have a little cafe there as well. You can add breakfast here for £15 if you want to. And if you go to the restaurant, which is called Winsome, which is downstairs, you can get 20% off with your loyalty card, which is a key card. And that's it. That is the Whitworth Locke.